If you're considering buying OneStream Live, there are 7 important things you absolutely need to know before making a decision. Stick around until the end, because by the time we're done, you'll have a clear picture of whether it's the right choice for your live streaming needs, especially when compared to competitors like Restream or StreamYard. And if you're ready to try it for yourself, the first link below gives you access to the best offer and a completely free trial. OneStream Live is a tool designed to streamline live streaming across multiple platforms, allowing you to schedule and stream pre-recorded content live. Unlike traditional live streaming software, where you're doing everything in real time, OneStream gives you the flexibility to broadcast content you've already created. But before you jump in, there are some things you should know. First things first, OneStream Live offers seamless integration with over 40 platforms, including Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. This sets it apart from other platforms like StreamYard, which supports fewer platforms, especially when it comes to niche social media. If you're someone who needs to reach a wide audience on various platforms simultaneously, OneStream provides a significant edge with its versatility. Next thing, OneStream's user interface is incredibly simple and intuitive, which is a huge plus if you're new to streaming. If you've tried other services like Restream, you know that some platforms can have complex setups that can be intimidating for beginners. OneStream's layout is easy to navigate, with drag-and-drop functionality and an uncomplicated dashboard. This makes scheduling streams a breeze, which is key for content creators who want to focus more on their content than the technical side of things. The third thing you should know is that OneStream Live offers an automatic streaming feature. This means you can upload your content, schedule it, and let the platform handle the rest. This feature is ideal for content creators who want to ensure consistency without needing to go live manually every time. It's perfect for streamers who need to stay consistent but can't always be present. This is where OneStream stands out against competitors who require manual intervention for each stream. The fourth thing, while OneStream excels at scheduled streaming, it also supports live streaming. You can easily switch between the two modes depending on what suits your needs. It's a nice hybrid approach that some competitors like StreamYard don't offer as flexibly. This flexibility can save time if you're running multiple channels or need to change up your streaming strategy. Another important thing to consider is pricing. OneStream's pricing model is competitive, especially for high-tier plans. If you're comparing it to competitors like Restream, which can become expensive when adding more features or stream destinations, OneStream is often more affordable for users looking for solid functionality at a lower price point. Depending on your needs, you might find OneStream's plans more budget-friendly than its competitors. Next, OneStream offers powerful analytics. After your stream goes live, you'll have access to detailed reports on performance, viewer engagement, and platform-specific stats. This feature is something you won't find in every live streaming tool. Restream, for example, has limited analytics features unless you're subscribed to a higher tier plan. OneStream's reports are robust even in its more basic plans, helping you improve future streams based on data-driven insights. And lastly, OneStream offers excellent customer support, which is often overlooked but incredibly important, especially when you run into any issues. Unlike some competitors that can be slow to respond or lack detailed help documentation, OneStream provides prompt support and a rich knowledge base to guide you. This support is invaluable when you're in the middle of a live broadcast and need quick solutions. So, if you're thinking about using OneStream Live, it's clear that it offers a lot of flexibility, ease of use, and solid performance compared to its competitors. And if you want to try it out for yourself, make sure to click the first link in the description below to get access to the best offer available and a free trial. Don't miss out on the opportunity to see how OneStream can enhance your live streaming experience.